Ever thought about staying powered up all the time no matter what? Power outages can really mess up your day, right? Mother Nature can be unpredictable, but your power doesn't have to be. The Westinghouse generator is here to save the day. 13,500 watts of peak power. Anyone. Runs up to 19 hours on a full tank. Gas, propane or natural gas. Pick your fuel. Switching is easy peasy. Remote start from the comfort of your couch. Roll it wherever you need with its sturdy wheels. You can buy it right now via the link in the description or in my comments to the video.